Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to remove a front fender. This is for a 97 through 2001 Jeep Cherokee. So it's pretty easy to do. First thing you need to do is remove the front header panel. And if you don't know how to do that, I do have a how-to video on that. I'll leave a link down below in the description. But once the header panel is removed, you're going to need to get a T27 Torx bit. So you got 4 bolts on top you need to remove. Then if you'll look up in here, you're going to have 3 bolts you need to remove up front behind the header panel. So on my Jeep, since the fender's already cut, it's already been removed. But your Jeep may have a plastic wheel liner up in here. You're going to need to remove that. It's just held on by a bunch of clips. And then this part of it will be held on by the factory fender flare, if you have those. And then you're going to have 2 torque bolts that's going to be underneath the fender at the bottom. You're going to have to remove those. So after you do that, you need to open your door. You're going to have 2 torque bolts inside the door jamb. You're going to have 1 up top. Then there's going to be 1 in the middle. So you need to remove those 2. Okay, so now that all those bolts are removed, the fender should now be free. You should be able to go ahead and take it off. Okay, so that's how you remove a fender from a 97 to 2001 Jeep Cherokee. So I hope this video helps. And if this video did help out, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.